All right, so earlier I made a Martino. Now I'm going to make another drink I've never made before, sort of. It's a dirty chai. So I'm going to make a chai latte, but we're going to add a shot of espresso to that as well. So I'm just going to kind of make a chai latte like I normally do, but yeah, just kind of integrate the espresso process. So it'll be interesting. My first time ever making this, so. Please, big picture. Let me go ahead and get the water heated up. Yep, got enough water in there. So water's heating up on the kettle. I will use this for the espresso shot. And we will use the mug I always use for chai lattes. So it's going to take a minute for the water to heat up, but I will go ahead and measure out the beans and tamp it down and get in the spout and everything. 16 grams, perfect. And I was getting really high pressures earlier. I will take this down to a 10. Alright, get this tamped down. We'll put it in the... And I'll just leave it there for now. Get the chai out. Chai, whatever the chai is, the chai. Alright. I like to have a really clean work area, if possible. So for this, well, I don't have much left. It looks like I have to get more chai soon. Wow, 1 tablespoon. And this may be like all we can do. 2 tablespoons, and just a little bit more, okay? So 2 tablespoons. I need more chai latte. I mean, I need more chai leaves. Water's hot. Gonna fill it just enough to like saturate, just a little bit. Right there, perfect. Then we're gonna wait 4 minutes. Yep. So I'm gonna leave that to do its thing for 4 minutes. And then once the 4 minutes is up, I guess we could, now let's pull the shot fresh. We'll, pour the milk in here and then, do the froth method that I do. So I don't forget, we're gonna pour it through the strainer into the mug. Or I wonder if I should, I think you pour the espresso over the chai latte, right? I think that's how you do it. So we'll do that. We'll pour the chai latte in the mug and then we'll extract and pour the shot over the chai latte and make a dirty chai. So, yep, bear with me for about 3 more minutes. All right, timer's up. Let's go ahead and warm up the steam one. We're gonna make this like it's a cappuccino, so I'm not gonna pour too much milk in here. Right there should be fine. So I'm just going to be letting in nothing but air pretty much. Trying to get a good layer of foam. So you hear all that hissing noise, that's just me letting air into it. So we can build up that foam layer that we want. What happens is that the milk expands, so like physically the mixture takes up more volume. It will rise further and further up to the rim of the pitcher. So I'm going to dip it in there for just a little bit, just to mix everything in well. It's really hot. That's what we want though. We're going to stop it right there. You can probably see the bubbles. We got a really good layer of foam right there. Looks really nice. Let's go ahead and pull the shots after we wait for it to do the thing. If this is a dual boiler, I could pull the shot and steam the milk at the same time, but this is not that machine. Gonna pour it over the strainer. Shot looks pretty good. Made like a really, really cool layer of foam right there. All right, I don't think I can get any more out of that. Let me just grab some cinnamon real quick. Got our cinnamon, we got our shot. Well, it's a double, but we're only gonna pour like half of it in there. So let's do that. All right, nice. And then lastly, finish off with our cinnamon. If I can get them to come out. No, let's do cinnamon sugar. Why not? It comes out the thing easier too. All right. I'll give you all y'all's close up. This is my first dirty chai latte. Hope y'all can say that okay. And yeah, let's give it a taste. Wow. Wow. You combine that punch. It's like you get all like the ginger from the chai latte, but that espresso shot just gives you like a punch. Like it punches you in the face. It's crazy. That's a very interesting drink. I don't know if I would prefer this over a normal chai latte. It's almost too powerful. It's almost too powerful. But it's cool. It's a different experience. I tell you what, if you want a fancy drink and you want to wake up like that, this is probably that drink. Yeah, it's really good. I also I didn't sweeten it. I usually put sugar in my chai lattes, but I didn't. This hold on. Let me do something. I have French vanilla syrup over here, off camera. I'm gonna put 1.5 pumps of French vanilla syrup in here. Give it a bit of a swirl. All right, let's try this. Yeah. If I added the raw sugar like I did last time, it would have settled all of those flavors down to like, now it's like just the right amount of, you know, like flavor profile, I'd say. Yeah, it especially settled down the espresso. The espresso was what I was like really like feeling there. Like the espresso kind of like compounded the effect of like the ginger and the chai. But when I added that French vanilla syrup, like yeah, all I can say is it just settled everything down. And also when I was pulling the shot, it was a little bit low. So I think next time I grind the beans and do all of that after I froth the entire mixture. So after I froth the entire mixture, measure out the beans, grind it, tamp it down, pull the shot, and then put it in because the shot was a little bit under pressure, I'd say. It was in the range. It was well within the range, but it was a bit on the lower pressure side. I may go finer on my grind by 1 digit again, but yeah, it. All right, back to the drink. Yeah, it's super interesting, but yeah, it's very interesting. But yeah, I would prefer a normal chai latte. But yeah, if you want that kick, then yeah, this is a drink that'll help you do that. But anyway, thanks for watching.